Everyone thinks the best-selling French door toaster oven is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo caught my eye with its impressive 24 cooking functions and a sleek stainless steel finish. Priced at $159.79, it's positioned as a versatile kitchen companion. If you want a toaster oven that can truly do it all, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 24.6 liters of capacity, it's perfect for everything from air frying snacks to roasting a full dinner. Plus, it features a dual-speed fan that circulates heat for that golden crisp you crave. The automatic shutoff when toasting means no more burnt bread, which is a game changer for busy mornings. It boasts a 4.4-star rating from over 17,000 reviews, with many praising its ease of use and efficiency. Now, some people complained about the learning curve due to its many functions. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the flexibility and results are well worth it. If you're someone who loves to experiment in the kitchen, you'll appreciate what this oven can do. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-capacity oven that can handle family meals and snacks alike. Skip this one if you prefer something more straightforward, as its multitude of functions might be overwhelming for casual cooks. Product number 2, Midea Flexify Classic Toaster Oven. Next up is the Midea Flexify Classic French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo, priced at $159.99. This one stands out with its 10-in-1 functionality and large 26.4 QT capacity. If you want speed and versatility, this is definitely worth considering. The precise temperature control allows you to adjust in 5-degree increments, ensuring that your dishes come out just right. With over 1,800 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, buyers rave about its efficient cooking and easy cleanup. Now, there were some complaints regarding the size, as it might be too large for smaller kitchens. But honestly, if you have enough counter space, the capacity and functionality far outweigh this concern. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful, multifunctional oven that can handle a variety of cooking tasks quickly. Skip this one if you have limited space, as its size might be a deal breaker. Product number 3, Midea Flexify Slim Toaster Oven. Then we have the Midea Flexify Slim 8-in-1 French Door Toaster Oven, priced at $134.99. Its compact design and infrared heating caught my attention. If you need a space-saving option without sacrificing performance, this one's worth a look. The infrared heat ensures even cooking, while the air fry function offers that crispy texture you want with minimal oil. It's received positive feedback with a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,800 reviews, highlighting its cooking efficiency and easy controls. Some users mentioned that the smaller size could limit cooking larger dishes simultaneously. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an efficient, compact oven that fits easily in your kitchen. Skip this one if you frequently cook for larger gatherings, as its size might be a limiting factor. Product number 4, Oster Extra Large Toaster Oven. Next is the Oster Extra Large 42L French Door Countertop Toaster Oven, priced at $198.57. With its impressive capacity and stylish design, it's perfect for anyone who loves to cook for big groups. If you want to prepare large meals with ease, this one's definitely worth considering. The 10 cooking functions include everything from air frying to slow cooking, allowing for a variety of meal options. It has a 4.3-star rating from 2,400 reviews, and many users appreciate how easy it is to operate. Now, some people found it a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. But I'll be real with you, if you love cooking for friends and family, that extra capacity is a huge plus and makes this oven a great investment. This is perfect for you if you host a lot or just enjoy cooking larger meals. Skip this one if you have limited counter space, as its size is certainly something to consider. Product number 5, Black Plus Decker Crisp and Bake. Finally, we have the Black Plus DCKER Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven, available for $129.99. I was drawn to its 12-in-1 versatility and sleek design. If you want a budget-friendly multi-cooker that doesn't skimp on features, this one's a solid pick. The convection cooking technology ensures even results, and with 12 cooking functions, you can prepare everything from snacks to full meals. It boasts a 4.3-star rating from nearly 2,000 reviews, with many users highlighting its ease of use. Some reviews mention that it might not be as durable as higher-end options. But here's the thing. For the price, the value you get is impressive, especially if you're just starting out or looking for an affordable kitchen upgrade. This is perfect for you if you're after a reliable, budget-friendly toaster oven that can do it all. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty appliance, as it might not withstand heavy use over time. So there you have it. From the versatile Emerald Lagos to the budget-friendly Black Plus Decker, each of these French door toaster ovens offers unique benefits. Whether you need a compact option or something that can accommodate a large family, there's a perfect fit for everyone. Happy cooking!